Creating a Looker Studio dashboard involves connecting your data, building visualizations, and customizing the report. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up a new report. Go to Looker Studio. Navigate to datastudio.google.com and log in with your Google account. Create a new report. Click on the Create button in the top left corner and select Report. Connect data. Choose data source. In the Add Data to Report panel, select the data source. Authorize the connection. Authorize Looker Studio to access your data. Add the data source. Click Add to attach the data source to your report. Build the dashboard. Add visualizations. From the toolbar, click on Add the chart and select Chart Types. Customize charts. Modify the data dimensions and metrics on the right panel to fit your requirements. Add filters. Use filters to allow interactive controls such as date ranges or filters by category. Customize layout. Resize and move elements. Drag and resize the charts to organize your dashboard. Add titles and descriptions. Use text boxes for labeling charts and explaining the data. Share the dashboard. Click Share to invite collaborators or viewers. You can also publish the dashboard as a live, shareable report.